Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to bulk generate coupon code using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in coupon section. So we are going to generate multiple coupon using custom code at same time. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugins and then click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see number of coupons 20, so you can add your number here, and then you see percentage, you can set discount type percentage, and then you see set amount 25, so you can add your number here. So currently we are going to generate 20 coupons. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. And now in code you see is set request, and then you see link www generation coupons. So we are going to open this URL. Now we are going to trigger this function using this link. Now in URL you see our website link, then you see WP admin. Now paste. Now you see link WP admin admin.php, and this is link we added in URL, and then press enter. So we are going to trigger this function. Now go to WordPress dashboard again, and on left side you see marketing, and then you see coupons, so click on it. Now coupon section open, and then you see we have total 21 coupons. Now you see description, coupon generated 20 by 20, 90 by 20, so this is description, and this is coupon type percentage, coupon amount 25, coupon generated in bulk. Now you see we generated 20 coupons using custom code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.